Hello guys, I'm gonna do unboxing of Mr. Coffee. We bought this from Walmart. This one is America's original coffee maker. 12 cup of programmable. Modern design delivers personal taste. There's on and off indicator light, removable filter basket, brewing, pause and serve, special cleaning cycle, 2-hour auto shut off. Okay, this is the one. So it includes water filtration. Okay, and then we're gonna open it. We'll see inside. This is how it looks like. See, this is the one, the water filtration. This. I like the color, red, maroon. Nice. Okay. So this is where you put the water, and this is the filter. It's put in here, I think. Right. Yeah, there's the one, the timer, on and off. There's how many minutes, hour, and maximum 12 cup of water. All right. Okay guys, let's see how does it work. I'm gonna plug it in. It says in the manual, they said before you're using it and make a coffee, you have to clean it first, brew it with the water, pour some water in here. Some water, and then to clean it, make it full, everything, like 10 cups. And this is the water filter, and this is the permanent filter. And when you make a coffee, but it doesn't make it doesn't have this coffee filter, so you have to buy it. And then we'll try it now and start brew regular, and this is the time here, and put the alarm on. So I'll start dropping the water, pouring the water. So this is it. It's working. Make sure clean it first. Please clean the decanter, and then the filter inside before making a coffee. Okay guys, now I'm filtering the water now to make it clean. Okay guys, I hope you like my video unboxing of Mr. Coffee, America original coffee maker. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.